Deleted videos from Android? Don't worry, this video covers 4 ways to recover your lost videos. Option 1. How to recover deleted videos from Android with Doctor for Android. Lost Android videos? Stop using your phone to avoid data overwriting. Try Mobikin Doctor for Android to recover deleted videos safely and easily. Step 1. Download, install Doctor for Android on your computer. Before you start it, connect Android device to the PC via USB cable. Now, you may need to follow the easy instructions on the screen to enable USB debugging on the device so as to get the gadget recognized by the program. Step 2. After the successful connection, tick off videos and click Next from the main screen. Follow the wizard to let the utility scan your phone and you'll access all your phone's videos later on. Step 3. Tap Videos in the left menu, and all the deleted videos will be shown as below. Now, simply click on Recover in the lower right to initiate the Android video recovery task. Here, you can put these videos on the computer as a secure backup. Option 2. How to retrieve deleted videos on Android via Google Photos. Open Google Photos Trash, select the videos and tap Restore. Check your gallery or album. Option 3. How to get back deleted videos on Android with Google Drive. Open Google Drive Trash, select the deleted videos, tap Restore to recover them. Option 4. How do I recover deleted videos from my Android phone? Using Recently Deleted folder. Open Gallery or Photos app. Go to Recently Deleted or Recycle bin. Select Videos and tap Restore.